Now in some cases, a very common way of importing an IR code is not to have the IR remote, but instead to use ProntoHex codes for those commands. And it's something Key Digital does. We often have the ProntoHex sheet linked on our website for respective products. So for that, we're going to go ahead and add a new product here, our KD HD 4x1 Pro K, for example. It's an HDMI switcher with 4 ins and 1 output. Oh, not 1 in, 4 out. That'd be a distribution amp, wouldn't it? 4 in, 1 out. And if we go through to this product on our website, and you can see what it looks like, and we scroll down to the download section, and there you are, your icon of ProntoHex. Open up that document, and here you can see the commands that we have, including this here, power toggle. So I'm going to copy that, Control C or right click copy. And that would be a common all command, wouldn't it? So add that function, say power toggle, name it what I'd like after assigning the action ID, and we just, instead of pressing learn edit, we do a ProntoHex. Paste that in there, press OK. Now we have the burst data. If you'd like, you could even see what that looks like here. Very good. So I save that library and of course continue to add functions and import them in the same method. One additional way that you can actually learn codes is according to not just ProntoHex, but any kind of hex format. So for example, here we have NEC. So this is if you get a hex sheet from a manufacturer, like an Excel spreadsheet this typically comes in. I believe it's Denon and Marantz who are really good about having that Excel spreadsheet. It might be Onkyo Integra though, where they have they tell you the hex codes of everything, and every protocol has different formatting for what are the parameters for the address of the IR code and the hex for that. So I mean, it tells you right here what the code typically looks like. So let me do that FFFF here and what this looks like, and IR is usually some kind of inverse of each other. So if I have, for example, E is 1110 and 7 is 0111, I believe it'd work if I did this, just kind of pulling randomly. And we press OK, and here's what that IR code would look like.